Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am giving you a review of one of the Doll 10 QVC sets. It's the Essentials collection and they sent this to me, but I decided I need to share this with you guys because I'm kind of digging the pieces that came in it and it's a pretty good value. It's a really good value. So I thought what I would do is let you know about it before it sells out or is gone for good. It has the new concealer in it, and that is really what got me so excited. But it's about, I want to say it's like $59 or something, and the concealer retails for $29 alone, and then you get 5 other pieces, I think. So I'm gonna go through those with you. So yeah, you can decide if it's worth it. I already took it out, but this is how it comes. And then you just have the little plastic inside that holds the pieces together. You get the new Hydralux Foundation. So this is supposed to be smoothing, hydrating. It has skincare benefits in it. And they sent me light. I have used Doll 10 foundations before. I think it's the one that comes in the tube. There's one that comes in a bottle with a dropper, and there's one that comes in the tube. And the one that comes in the tube is excellent. And this one, I am so excited to see how it works. There are a couple ingredients in here that could be possible triggers for sensitive skin and rosacea prone skin. I'm just pointing that out to you. It doesn't necessarily mean it's guaranteed to be irritating or anything like that, but at the bottom of the ingredient list there are two. It's the I always forget how to say it. It's the limonene and linalool, and those are actually kind of an orange. I think they're from orange. Are they from some kind of orange ingredient? Anyway, they can be, yeah, but it is literally like the last ingredient. So just letting you know, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, so it comes with your foundation. It comes with an Arch Master. Which one is the one I've used? It comes with an Arch Master brow pencil, which is actually more than a pencil. So it has the kind of fibery brow tamer on the one end. Then it has a powder brow thing you can fill in. See that? Super subtle. And whoop-a-doo. And then this part is the beveled flat pencil part. Okay, so there's that. The concealer, which I've shared with you guys before in some other videos. Right now on QVC, you can't buy the Doll 10 concealer by itself. You can only get it in this kit, but if you go to the Doll 10 website, you can get it on its own. The concealer is a really cool product. It's also Hydralux to go with the foundation. It has ingredients in here that say can replace your eye cream. I have not done that. I have not taken that leap of like, I'm just gonna use this instead. But I will say it is really nice. Like, it does a nice job of smoothing and hydrating under the eyes as well as hiding the dark circles. So I am a fan. You also get a dual-ended foundation and concealer brush. This is super cool. There is a lipstick. This is the shade Knockout. It is their Hydrogel lipstick. It's such a good shade in terms of kind of mauve, kind of pink, not too bright, not too dark. And then you get a cream highlighter. This is the shade Pink Diamond. And yeah, it's pretty darn cute. It's pink, but it's pretty subtle. The foundation and the concealer alone is pretty much what covers the cost of this set, and then everything else is kind of a bonus. So that's why I feel like it's just a really good deal to, you know, if you're interested in it, if you've wondered about it, I'm like, I'm gonna give it a shot. So let's see, this kind of makes or breaks it, right? I'm gonna do one side with the Doll 10 brush and one side with my Beauty Blender because that's how I'm comfortable. And I just also wanted to let you know, I did put the Hydralux concealer already under my eyes because I'm like, well, if it is like eye cream, let's put that on first. I'll still conceal on top of everything in a little bit, but I wanted to kind of get that on there. So I do look, don't I look rested? Okay, so it comes in a pump. The light shade actually has a little more pigment than I thought. First we're doing, oh, look at the light. That's a good, it's kind of more yellow than I thought. Typically, the Doll 10 shades run a little bit pink on me, run a little bit, you know, pale in a good way, but they do have a shade range. It's not an exact shade range, but you know, it's like from very light porcelain to dark. I think it goes porcelain, light, medium, tan, and deep is the color range. So I'm surprised the light, so the light concealer is lighter than this foundation. And then if you are a shade lighter than me, you definitely want to go fair or porcelain. Because this, I like that this foundation has a bit of a yellow warmth to it. Kind of gives the skin, but it will be too dark for some of you. Because I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be too light. Nope. So it's smoothing. It's very liquidy. It's hydrating. It's not wet, it's not crazy, but yeah, it's comfortable. Okay, let's do another little pump and let's use the brush. I hate getting a new brush dirty, that's so dumb. Usually I can get away with wearing a foundation, even if it has some sensitizing ingredients, I can get away with just like wearing it once and my skin will be fine, and then the next day, you know, I'll alternate. Sometimes that happens with some of my fragrance, the foundations I love, but I know that have fragrance in them. Or even like that YSL one that has the denatured alcohol, and I'm like, oh, I love how you wear. But it's like, it's gonna totally break me out if I wear it too many days in a row. So that that applied nicely with the brush. It didn't pull the product away or anything like that. I don't see any texture. It was easy to blend. So that's promising. I appreciate that. So let's go through and get some concealing action. I'm going to even put it up here because why not? It's hydrating. And I'm going to do a little bit of brightening, right? There we go. Let's see how this, maybe I should go on this side. Here we go. How does the, sometimes I apply concealer with a brush. It's not often, but there are occasions where I do just decide to use a brush versus blender. And this one worked out well. Yeah, I'm gonna let's get in our Archmaster. I am going to spoolie my brows first. You guys, this is so funny. It fell off of a, no, what is this from? This is from a kit. Is this from my Godfrey eyebrow? Or no? What is this from? Okay. I don't always do these kind of brow shadow, but I'm gonna just give it a little bit of that just to smooth it, just to darken it. I love that my brow tint is clearly just like doing what it oughta, right? So then I'm gonna go in and do my definition. And then this little fibery guy is so good. But you don't want to go too thick because I will always mess it up. There we go. Whoa, look at that sheen. Oh, Charlie sheen. That's not just Charlie sheen, that's Martin sheen and Charlie sheen together. Wow. Okay, you guys, if you've watched my channel, you know I am not skilled. I always blame myself when it comes to liquid or cream highlighters. I try to give the benefit of the doubt to the product and just blame myself that it's me. I'm the one that can't seem to put it on. I love powder highlight, but I'm never really good with cream highlight. So let's see if this one is any different. So far, it looks pretty good from here. I'm gonna do a quick jobber of the Doll 10. This is the Neutrals 2 palette. This palette is phenomenal. I know I feel like I'm just like, this is like a whole commercial for Doll 10. And I'm sorry if you feel that way, but I'm just sharing with you guys what I like. Here I am back, and I am going to put on the lipstick. This is shade Knockout. I told you about that. It's nice and neutral and pink. And I'm still enjoying my highlighter, and I realize I'm very highlighted. I'm kind of glad I did it that way. Makes me feel pink. Yeah. I'll just head on a Kokie lip pencil over, or should say underneath it. It's the one in Natural. Get it at Rite Aid. So here is the essential set all put together from QVC, from Doll 10. I think it's a great buy. I will definitely give you a follow-up on the foundation and how it wore, if I noticed any little red bumps or anything like that, because I know so many of you are similar to me in your skin type, and I just want to be upfront with you guys so that you know whether or not this is worth it for you. Yeah, and there you are. So that's the foundation, concealer, Archmaster, lipstick, and little cream highlighter. Look, it's popping. Okay, so like I said, I will leave links. I will leave follow-up in the description box. Feel free to scroll through and see what you think. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notifications bell, give this video a thumbs up and all that good stuff. Thanks Doll10 for sending this to me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.